Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you an easy method to skip the forced login when installing Windows 11. Okay, how do you do it? So if there's a Windows is requiring you to have a linked Microsoft account, even if you switch to a local account later, this is very annoying because they want your info and they want you to eventually pay for it. So how do you get around it? So when you are required to sign into your account, what you can do is press Shift F10 and that will open a prompt. And when you're at that stage, you want to type in start ms, you can see on screen. I'll put this in the video description as well. ms-cxh local only. And what is this going to do? This is going to, well, allow you to get into Windows and you'll land on the desktop fully using a local account without the Microsoft login being required. This will probably get patched out pretty soon, but right now, to my knowledge, this is the only way to do it. If this video helped you, leave the video a like and please subscribe. Thank you very much.